Hello everyone, Anders Larsson here, and I have just finished a new video, and today I would like to discuss reasons why you should choose WordPress for website development. Before I go into that, I would like to ask a question. How much have you invested in your journey so far? How much time have you wasted trying to find success? And how much have you spent on tricks of online gurus and con artists who have sold you nothing but lies? When I started affiliate marketing, I did it alone and tried using all the free resources I could find on YouTube and different blogs. I started selling low-priced ClickBank products. Even though I spent hundreds of dollars on ads, I only made a total of $40. I was about to give up hope when I met someone who completely changed my way of thinking and has had a profound effect on my life. She recommended that I use the same system that has been working so well for her. I gained access to this unique training when I made the decision to take the first step. Legendary Marketer, which I joined, was the best option for me. It was created by Dave Sharp, the founder of Legendary Marketer. It has worked for a lot of people, and I believe it will work for you as well. It provides high-impact digital training and a personal coach to assist you on your journey in affiliate marketing. If you follow me until the end of the video, I will show you how I make money with this system and how to get started. I will also show you how to get a free value-packed video training with all the information you need and the golden nuggets I received from the training in this program. Anyway, now Heidi will take over. So over to you, Heidi.
Thank you, Anders. Over 75 million websites already utilize WordPress as their content management system of choice, making it the most widely used open-source CMS to date. The CMS contains thousands of pre-installed themes, plugins, and extensions and is free to install and use. It is also incredibly adaptable, secure, and SEO-friendly. Another reason why developers favor using WordPress for website creation, especially when it comes to creating interesting and safe e-stores, is the platform's enormous community support. Additionally, company owners like working with a WordPress developer over other alternative web development platforms due to the platform's many benefits. These justifications make WordPress the greatest platform for creating websites. The platform WordPress is open source. WordPress is free to download and use. Installing, downloading, or upgrading it don't come at a cost. Additionally, the source codes are readily available at all times. Additionally, WordPress offers tens of thousands of free plugins. Furthermore, compared to competing CMSs like Joomla and Drupal, WordPress has lower setup, maintenance, and customization expenses. WordPress supports SEO. All business owners want their websites to rank well and appear at the top of search results. WordPress is an SEO-friendly platform, ensuring that websites using it will rank highly on search engine results pages. It also indicates that this CMS enables you to obtain an optimal site. Additionally, WordPress has a better level of preference in the search engines due to its clear coding structure, high standard codes, and responsive and logical web design capabilities. This platform enables more exact optimization by enabling you to offer each page and post of your website a distinct meta tag, meta title, meta keyword, and meta description. Customization in WordPress is simple. WordPress is a well-liked content management system, CMS, and easy customization and high flexibility are two reasons why. WordPress developers and designers can create and alter layouts and themes in accordance with business requirements thanks to the customizable themes and other features of the CMS. Tremendous communal support. WordPress is a popular choice for developers because of the strong community support it enjoys. There is always a WordPress development community expert available to assist when a developer runs into a difficulty or complexity during the development process. Large selection of themes and plugins available. WordPress is a fantastic option because to the abundance of themes and plugins that are available. Developers can utilize a variety of paid and free themes and plugins, depending on the demands of the company, to improve the functioning of the website and provide users with a more individualized experience. The majority of WordPress themes are responsive and customizable, which is the finest part. Additionally, there is a plugin for practically every feature that a quality website would require. Implementing the necessary functions on the site is made simple by the plugins. Selecting the ideal plugin, installing it, and activating it are all simple tasks for developers. A basic host. Any web server can easily set up WordPress. Most hosting packages either come pre-installed or call for a single-click installation. Additionally, consumers now have complete discretion over the website host they want to use. They can choose the fastest and least expensive hosting company, and even set it up for their WordPress websites. In addition to these advantages, WordPress has a high level of security, which again makes it a solid choice for e-commerce companies. With these advantages, the platform stands out as the top option for creating websites, especially e-commerce sites. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Heidi, for sharing. I want to talk about finding success and the frustration finding it. I will talk about what happened to me. You want to be successful, I know. I know you have also probably failed in so many online businesses, even though you have spent thousands of dollars getting some methods from some marketing gurus. Most of the time these methods are half-baked and they never teach you how these strategies work. You keep finding different methods, but all have yielded little to no results. I understand the frustration because this was me some years ago, before I finally found a system that worked for me in achieving some of the things I desired. I will never be happy until I can help other people get out of the endless cycle of trying to get out of poverty. Affiliate marketing changed my life in so many ways. It has given me a chance to break free from poverty and have more open mindset towards my goals, achievements and success. I was able to find a direction, and now I would like to tell you about a system that will work just as well for you as it did for me. This system will pay you a high commission, and if you join, you get help from a personal coach and a digital training that is clear and practical and will teach you everything you need to know. If you aren't ready to join this system yet, I have a free video training that you can learn from while you decide if this is the system that is best for you. Do you want to check it out? Well, if you do, I will leave a link in the description that you can check out if you want. I will take you to my landing page. You can avoid signing up for my free video training by clicking the red button on that page. The red button will take you to the place where you can get started with the system that I'm using. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found something interesting in my video that you took to your heart, then why not give this video a like? This will help my YouTube channel grow in a big way. Also, if you want more videos like this one, do click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.